Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to remove background noise in Discord. Now to do that, what you need to do is open the Discord application and then get logged in into the account first. Once you're logged in into the Discord, you need to go to the profile. So tap on profile icon on the bottom right, tap that. In the profile, you need to scroll down and there you need to go to app setting and tap on voice. Tap that. In the voice setting, you need to scroll down and you will have this option of noise suppression. So you will have three options over here. This is a process to suppress background noise from your mic. There's crisp, standard and none. Currently the setting is saved to none, that is there is no noise suppression activated or enabled. So you can choose the option crisp or standard. Crisp is the technology behind Discord noise suppression, but you can also use a AI for other application from your phone device. You can go and choose standard as well or crisp, it's your choice. So this is a way how you can remove background noise in Discord. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.